Welcome to episode 5 of the van trip. This week we're taking a break from travelling in the van. We're in Mallorca with my family. First stop is Cala Santani for some cliff jumping. Let's go. Woo! A souvenir from the cliff jumping, and we've got the biggest perk of being back with my family, which is a big food budget and seeing them, obviously. But, We had an amazing lunch, insane ice cream, and we're gonna go to a really cool cliff jumping spot that we found. Good morning. Yesterday was so much fun. The cliff jumping was just incredible. So high, definitely the highest I've ever done. But today we're getting a moped, and that's gonna be fun. So let's go. It's moped time. We are on our way to my favourite snorkeling and kind of cliff jumping spot that we found on Mallorca so far. Let's do this. Well, that was super fun. That was insane. So let's moped back to the villa and have some lunch. Good morning, we found a cool parkour spot and we're just gonna do a quick line. Let's go. Seb's last day, one last moped ride.
Hell to the
yeah. Beep, beep. Bye bye Seb. Really cool day today, and we're gonna go for some really nice food. Right?
Yes.
We've arrived at dinner, got a haircut, that was earlier though, and we're having really nice food that even Seb couldn't make. We found 90p ice cream. Wow, shame we're not on the budget anymore. Oh, hell yeah. Good morning. We're on a road bike tour today. Nice start to the day. We're going up a mountain, 1,500 meters height difference, so that's a nice climb. We've got a cool view to the right of us. Okay, so we finished the bike ride and are going to a cliff jumping spot, which is supposed to have a 20-meter cliff. Let's do this. Good morning. We got up before the sun even started to brighten the sky, but we have a special surprise.
Que no me lleva, Yaro, no me lleva.
Tony, ¿tú dónde estás?
Cogeros, cogeros, yeah! Vorsicht, festhalten, festhalten, festhalten. Okay. Alles klar? Alles klar, está bien.
Okay.
Està bé.
Bé,
sortiu, ja m'aguant. Sortiu, sortiu.
That's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. Like, share and subscribe if you did. Next week we're back on the road going to Germany. Peace.